switch way. Now back onto the right, we place on the left, close right foot to left foot, and switch way. That's all it is. That's the basic step of the salsa. So
So yeah, I see that. She's gonna give you her Instagram. So next time you're here, you can hit her up. Tore me up, man. You can tell there's a lot of social justice that goes around here, because if you look at all the graffiti and then the stop genocide over there, it's pretty legit. Daytime it's alright, but I don't know about anything else. Yo, look at the mountains, bro. Junk is crazy. Hey, look at the food here.
Hi, I'm Andrea from Ireland.
I'm Brendan from Ireland.
All right, and you already know this is Nate from Nate in Your State. We are actually... See?
Ketchup.
Salsa de tomate, por We are here in Cali, Colombia, just grabbing a bite to eat before we get back and get busy again. We are in El Gringo, American kitchen. It's friendly for tourist people like us, you know what I mean? And we got some American food. The food of the day, what we got? What we got, Brandon? What we got?
We got some Cajun sandwiches, chicken Cajun sandwiches.
Okay.
Really good, really good.
Okay, and then what else we got? We got
Just the usual French fries.
Okay. How does it taste so far?
Really good.
I've only had a French fries and it's good.
Really good.
All right, so as the only American right here, let me verify. All right, I gotta verify. Fries is on point. Fries is on point. I like them. And the honey mustard's not bad too. Honey mustard's really on point. You can see the El Gringo over here. The honey mustard, the fries and everything else. Oh, muchas gracias. We got mustard, ketchup, all the good stuff. I'm gonna take a bite of the sandwich. It's a good sandwich. Love the chicken breast on that. I love the sauces that's inside of it. You can see it? The sauce and the cheese gives it a nice flavor. Nice and fresh. Alright, I'm gonna continue eating. I'm turning this off. I'm just leaving El Gringo. Shout out See You Life with David. I actually decided to check it out. It's a good spot. Nice recommendation. You should definitely check it out when you come back here, bro. Yeah, the neighborhood is pretty nice, if y'all can see behind me. See this? This is actually dope. It's a lot of hills, a lot of trees up in here, but it's a nice view and scenery. All right, let me put my phone on. Yeah, guys, I don't even know. I think I am in El Peñón. A lot of nice restaurants, a lot of upscale stuff too. You know what I'm saying? Everybody's watching football. Neighborhoods are nice, neighborhoods are quiet. So I think that it is El Peñón. Later on I want to walk some more and explore some more, let's see. Yeah, I'll let you know what's up.
It's my song.
Oh, how's it going? What's up?
Good, can you?
Oh, muy bien, muy bien. ¿Inglés?
No te entiendo.
Que sí,
No.
va a empezar
¿Tú
a
sabes
practicar.
inglés? Yeah, okay. Okay, all right, yo, I'm just gonna show. All right, guys, I got this awesome dish. Right, the chef is right there. Sí, ¿cómo se llama?
Yo me llamo Churani.
Oh snap! Okay, how do you say nickname and the short part of your name? Judy. Judah. Oh. I messed up. She's the chef. She made that good old dish, and that's her son right there. He says, "What's up?" You're like, yo, look, I'm gonna destroy this, right? But I'll come back to this in a few. Look at this. I'm a vlogger.
What's your focus?
Focus, food and travel.
Food and travel.
Food and travel. Yeah, I'm just here. That's me, bro. That's what I do, man. Yo, for real, man. So, y'all on camera now, too. Yo, introduce yourself, man.
Yo, G, what's up? What's up?
Where you from, G?
I'm from Brooklyn, New York.
What's up? Alright, so we got G in the house. What's up, man? Where you from, man? What's your name?
Yo, it's your man Saya, man. I'm from Brooklyn. It's nice to meet you. Travel, see the world, man. Like, it's a beautiful place, man. Your home is not the only backyard. You feel me? It is the nicest.
I hear you, man. We out, man. We out here. We meet people each and every day. What brought you out here?
Life, man. We living, man. Colombia. Gotta move. I'm not gonna lie. I keep it 100. We out here for beautiful women. We young, we black, we educated. We have a good time, man. So, nothing better. Educated black men out here.
I mean, I gotta respect yo. We can take any seat. You can take it. All right, cool. So yeah, man. Let's get it. We got some food yet again, and yeah. I hope you enjoyed them salsa classes. No ritmo. ¿Para mí?
Es para él.
Para él.
Qué pena, ya tengo.
I can't eat that. I will get sick.
I'm so sorry.
No, how you say I will get sick?
Enfermo.
Enfermo.
Yeah, see.
She can't like take that off.
Yeah. Alright, yo, look at the food. Yo.
Yeah, it's a half avocado.
That is mad food. This is what you asked for, bro.
It's like $5. $5 US.
That is mad good.
I don't even know what to do with it. You gotta cut that up to eat it. That's what I'm saying, bro. Like, just trying to act like y'all know what to do with that.
They gave you a fork and knife for a reason.
Bro, that's a lot of burger. Bro, you might have to eat that before. No cap, bro. No cap.
Yeah, how was it? How's the onion ring at least?
Calm.
Yeah, that. Alright, so this thing that I got, she said it was like a sandwich, but it's smothered. On top, oh, my drink say again? Hey, that's what I'm talking about. That's strawberry juice. Yeah, I remember that one video I took when I went to La Bomba. Is La Bomba. I got that strawberry juice. So this is like some strawberry water that I got, or strawberry juice. Some real good strawberry juice, or strawberry water. It's a wrap, I'm sold. But anywho, this thing, I don't know how to describe it. It ain't even a sandwich, but I gotta eat it with a fork. You know what I'm saying? It got pork in it, it got ham in it, and then it got chicken. But I can't see the bread, but it's smothered with cheese and all that. It ain't bad, I ain't kid you not.
Go to the middle to the lake, throw all the lake inside to the cannon, to the lake, throw all the gold Can you see the yellow shoes hanging on the drop? Different ribbons. Right? So, okay. Remember the big tree which the indigenous protect all the time? It's a ceiba.